channel. If you happen to be a newbie that's passing through, seeing me for the very first time, welcome to the channel. My name is Glam, and I'm known for being the beauty on the budget who loves not breaking her bank for a fabulous look. So I highly encourage that you hit that subscribe button, turn on your bell notifications so you will never miss an upload, period. Like, trust me, you don't want to be missing the uploads that be happening on this channel. You don't want to do that. Which brings me to today's video. So today's video is a wig review, okay? Perhaps it's not new to YouTube, but it's new to me, seeing it from YouTube. And it is by Outre. It is called Wig Pop, which looks like this right here. This is the packaging, looks like it's Wig Pop, and it is a full wig. It's a synthetic wig, and it's 14 inches long, and it is a mullet, okay? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to be here to give my first impressions and try this with you all. So let's just get right into it. So when it comes to this wig, there's no lace to cut. That was a bonus for me. No lace to cut. It's one and done. You get it out the packaging, put it on your head like I'm about to show you, and it's together. So this is what it's looking like when you get it out the packaging. Again, this is the model that's on the packaging. That is the model on the packaging, and the style name is called Jovi, and it's heat resistant, safe up to 400 degrees. So it's curl iron safe, flat iron safe, up to 400 degrees, and it comes in a plethora of different colors for you to be able to choose from. Now, like I said, this video is like a first impression, like a try on, you know. I'm gonna try it on, let you see what it's looking like. Okay, so I tried it on. What do you think? You know, I just put it on my head, and I took a wide tooth comb like this, you know, the wide tooth comb, and I just combed and played with it. You probably could stand to cut the bangs, you know, to customize it, because, you know, according to what this picture looked like, she has it kind of spiky-ish looking, and I didn't do that. I just swooped it on over, because I spent so much time doing my eyebrows. You know, I need to see the time I invested in doing these eyebrows. But aside from that, this is the front. This is what it's looking like. You know, this is just a try on. This is just to feel it out. This is the side. Okay, this is the back. I'm liking the little tail thing that's going on back there. I like that. This is the back. This is the side, and this is the front. So I did a little bit of, you know, pull down the sideburn action thing happening. I think this wig is super cute. It's very, very flexible. You can spike it up, you know, like if you wanted to make it. Oh, look. Okay. Okay. I see what I'm doing. Okay. Messy come through. You know, you make it a little bit messy. Messy, but neat, you know. Okay. Well, this is really making it more like a mullet. I should have did this first. It's coming together. I'm liking it even more now. Yes, I'm liking it even more. This is what she, oh my gosh. Okay, use your fingers. Forget what I said about the wide tooth comb. Use your fingers like what I'm doing. You see what I'm doing? Use your fingers and push it in an upward motion. But make it, you know, neat-ish a little bit. Better, right? I'm thinking so. Okay, see this? Okay, so now that I tried this on, I like it, and I hope you like it too. That's why I made this video for you, so you can see what it's looking like. Once again, this was the Outre Wig Pop, and her name is Jovi, 14 inches long. She comes in a plethora of different colors, and it's a mullet. So I think I'm gonna go back and try that DR Red Velvet next, because I'm really liking this. But on that note, this have concluded the video, because I need to go get dressed and, you know, do everything else to pull this look together. I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. If you would like to see the final, complete, finished, full look, make sure you visit me on Instagram right there at Miss Glamour Addict, on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. I'ma go and get dressed for the day and enjoy my mullet. But I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, doll. Yeah. It's cute.